So what we've seen from 2023 to 2025 is that Vismin businesses are actually growing stronger because the average orders per sellers rose actually by 51%. So, and the total Vismin sales grew by 24%. And of course, specifically for our Visaya sellers, Visayas MSMEs, so we've seen Shopee orders recorded an increase of 35% increase. So just imagine, these numbers tell the story that Vismin MSMEs are actually experiencing exponential growth. So coming from these beautiful numbers, so we wanted to deep dive and understand, how have they grown? What are how can we've seen that the growth talaga ang business is done. And then we looked at now the reach. And this is probably my most favorite insight because now we've seen that geography is becoming less of a barrier in this region. So our top Vismin sellers actually reach buyers in 81 of 82 provinces in the Philippines. So imagine that's 99% of provinces reached. Diba? So it's a good number for us at Shopee because it makes us realize why continuous investments in infrastructures are very important. Also with support with logistics. And like a clear example would be, para ang small seller dito sa Cebu, kayang magpaabot ng products in a small town in Pangasinan. So this is what this number tells us. And then we've also seen the number of shipments, and we've seen that more than 1 in 3 of Vismin shipments actually are delivered to Luzon. So yeah, this tells the story na yung small seller here in Visayas or in Mindanao are actually playing in the national game. And so, we now looked at also, so what enabled this growth? So we understand that, okay, our MSME sellers are growing, and they are reaching, almost all of the provinces in the Philippines. How? What enabled it? And then when we looked at the numbers, there are actually two things, that happened. Number one is digital adoption of our tools, of the Shopee tools. And the next is using seller enablement services. So what we've seen is that Shopee Video, the use of Shopee Video, the sales grew by 209%. And this is just for 1 year, just 2024 to 2025. And we've seen also that video sellers in Vismin increased by 17 times throughout the course of the 2023 to 2025. So, also, affiliate connections increased by 29 times. So it means more and more sellers are now actually engaging with creators, for their products to have more visibility, have more exposure, so they can attract new markets. And then in terms of seller enablement, so we've also seen Chat AI Assistant, which is our virtual customer service support. So it grew by 75%. So meaning, even if kunyari natutulog si seller, kayang mag-respond ng Chat AI Assistant natin, to the buyers. Because we all are buyers here and we know that our demands or our expectations from our sellers are evolving. And then, one note is also on Fulfilled by Shopee. Fulfilled by Shopee is actually our support for sellers wherein we take care of the end-to-end fulfillment, meaning yung shipment, yung packing, yung even returns. So Shopee handles that when you use FBS. And we've seen the growth increase by 14 times.